ain't no shine. We be staying up all night, trying to work it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna go ahead and review the new Fenty foundation, also the primer. I'm gonna go ahead and actually wear these throughout the day. It is a hydrating long wear foundation that delivers comfortable medium to full coverage in a natural finish for perfect for normal to dry skin. So this primer is $32. It's a lightweight hydrating makeup primer for normal to dry skin with nurtures. It keeps skin comfortable all day and extends foundation wear. So hopefully this does live up to its expectations, because usually during the day my skin starts to feel tight because it is dry and the weather is kind of like hot and dry overall. But hopefully this does live to its expectations, because I'm excited for this one. But yeah, if you guys want to see what my thoughts are overall about this foundation, just keep on watching. We are going to be trying out the Fenty Beauty foundation and the new primer. The primer is the Soft Silk Pro Filter Hydrating Primer. So we're going to start off with that. Alright, so now we're going to move into the foundation. I'm going to be using the new brush as well. This is a 115 foundation. It is the Kabuki brush, and this is what the foundation is. Based online, I was supposed to be a 260, but I went in stores and color matched myself to 240. Let's see. I really liked the matte foundation, the first one, but it was too matte, so hopefully this one works better on my skin type, because I do have dry skin, so we'll see. This brush is really soft though. It's nice. It is layering on the foundation really nice. It actually has really nice coverage as well, so it would be a medium buildable. Alright, so that looks really good. I'm now gonna go ahead and wear this for the rest of the day to see how it holds up. I am gonna set it with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Butter Setting Powder, but I am gonna actually go in with the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer just a tad bit here. So for the actual setting, I'm just gonna set what I normally set, which would be my under eye, my T-zone area. So I feel like usually Fenty Beauty is really good with their complexion products. Hopefully this is a good one as well. So now moving on to complexion, I'm actually going to try this for the second time. The Sunrise Waves Becca Sunlit Bronzer. For blush, I am going to actually use this for the first time. It's the NARS, this is Exposed Cheek Palette. I'm going to go ahead and mix these right here. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the eyes with this pink liner by ColourPop. It's called Boots. I'm just gonna apply that on the waterline. The reason I'm doing that is because I'm not gonna do my lower lash line. For the lower lashes, I am gonna use the Volumizing Mascara in Brownie Points by ColourPop. I'm gonna go ahead and go into Estrella in the Salvaje palette. And just gonna apply that like right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Now I'm gonna do the lips. I am gonna try today. It is gonna be the Huda Beauty Interview Power Bullet Matte. And I'm actually not gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna top it with the gloss, the Patrick Ta Lip Shine in She's Expensive. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is so cute. Ooh, it has like a minty feel to it. That is the finished look overall. I am gonna go ahead and keep this foundation on for the rest of the day. Overall, I think it applied really nicely, but we will have to see how it lasts through the day, because usually I have a lot of breakup around here because I am touching my face constantly. But I feel like it covered, and I have like this nice glow from within, kind of like the Anastasia foundation. So yeah, we'll see how it holds up, and I will come back later. So little update on the foundation. I feel like it still looks really good. So it hasn't creased. It has gone away a little bit here, but it's been 5 hours, so I don't expect it to stay. I do still look pretty glowy. From far away, still looks pretty flawless. Yeah, like overall, still looks pretty good. Like, look up. Like, it's still on. I will be wearing it till later to see how long it'll last until it's actually coming off. And yeah, I'll be back. But overall, I still think it looks pretty good. It is 8:42 p.m. and I am doing my last check-in for my foundation. And overall, I still have quite an amount. Usually by now it would all be gone, but I do see that I still have some. So my final thoughts on the foundation is that it is worth it, because it is long wearing. It's perfect for dry skin because it still looks luminous. It doesn't look patchy at all. Even around my nose, that's usually where I'll see my patches, but it looks good, and it's been 12 hours already. So final thoughts is that I like it, and yeah, hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. Make sure you do give this a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
It ain't working, we not gonna do it, but you got it.